Morning YouTubers, Merry Christmas to you all. I've just started to do some new loads for my trains. Somebody made a comment that I haven't got many loads on the trains. I've done some cesspits, which are these. 3D printed those. I've done some roof trusses. Some oil drums, 3D printed those, not too bad. Also done some tubing. That's not 3D printed, that's just old tubing I found. And this electric cabinet, ginormous electric cabinet. That's going to be painted. Done some stuff on the side. Some lifting eyes on the roof. Yeah, I've been busy. That's why I haven't done many videos. Obviously, nothing to video this on. So, those are my loads. Those are the Stourbridge Shuttle fronts, the cab fronts. And those are the ones that failed, and so I'm using them as loads. They're quite good. Go over to the black Katie. I had a problem with I stuck a name on the side, and the heat peeled it off. Well, what happened? It peeled the paint as well, so I had to respray it all. So I'm going to send off some brass plates to stick on. I'll probably pop rivet them on or something. But and there's Lady Anne, commonly known as Lady Jane. Yeah, I haven't been too well at that for a couple of weeks, so that's why I probably sound a bit groggy now. I had the worst cold for about 20 odd years. I never felt so rough, but my wife says it's only man flu, get on with it. So I'll get on with it. But it was a bad old bit of cold, bad cold. Anyway, YouTubers, I'm going to sign off now. Just a short video to say Merry Christmas to everybody and Happy New Year. Wish you all the best and a good old prosperous next year, 2020. Bye-bye. Have a great time. Bye-bye.